In today's video, we're going over how to fix the mono mode issue on JBL Tune Beam earbuds. If one of your earbuds isn't working or you're only getting sound from one side, don't worry. We'll troubleshoot it step by step so you can get back to full stereo sound. First, check the charging connection. One of the most common reasons this happens is because one of the earbuds didn't charge properly. Sometimes they don't make full contact with the charging pins. Make sure each earbud is firmly pressed into the case. You should see a white blinking light, which indicates it's charging correctly. If your earbuds are a bit older, take a moment to inspect the case for dust, lint, or debris. Even a small buildup can prevent proper contact and cause connection issues. A quick clean with a soft cloth or cotton swab often solves the problem. Next, if charging looks fine but you're still only getting sound from one side, try repairing the earbuds manually. Put both earbuds back in the case and leave the lid open for about 10 seconds. Then take out just the right earbud and pair it with your phone. Once it's connected, remove the left earbud. It should automatically sync with the right one and restore full stereo sound. If those steps don't fix the problem, it could be a hardware issue. At this point, the best move is to contact JBL support. They can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or help process a replacement if your earbuds are still under warranty. Lastly, a tip for the future. Always store your earbuds in the case when not in use and make sure they're fully charged before long trips or workouts. Proper maintenance can prevent mono mode issues and keep your JBL Tune Beam earbuds working perfectly for years. Following these steps usually resolves the problem quickly, so you can enjoy balanced, high-quality audio again without hassle.